are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start factors on which rate of chemical reaction depends. There are following factors on which rate of chemical reaction depends. These are concentration, temperature, surface area, light or radiation, catalyst, nature of reactant. Now, how rate of reaction depends? Rate of reaction affects concentration of reaction. In a solution, increasing the amount of reactant increases the reaction rate. It means that rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration. If we increase concentration of the reactant, then automatically rate of reaction is increases. Okay. Now temperature. How temperature affects the rate of reaction? When temperature of reaction increasing, the rate of reaction also increases. So in one line we can say rate of reaction is also directly proportional to temperature. If we increase temperature of the reaction, then automatically rate of reaction is increases. Now surface area. How surface area affect the reaction rate? On increasing surface area, rate of reaction also increases. So we can say rate of reaction is directly proportional to surface area. If we increase surface area of a reactant, then rate of reaction is also increase. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to surface area. Now light or radiation. How light and radiation affect the rate of reaction? Reaction rate increases by increasing the intensity of light. So you can say intensity of light is directly proportional to rate of reaction. It means when intensity of light of in any reaction, if intensity of light is increases, then rate of reaction increases. Okay. Now catalyst. Catalyst. How catalyst affect the rate of chemical reactions? So those substances which change the rate of reaction is called catalyst. Means in chemical reaction, catalyst cannot consume itself without participating in chemical reaction. Catalyst changes the rate of reaction. Either catalyst increase the rate of reaction or decrease the rate of reaction. Catalysts are generally used. There are two types of catalyst. These are positive catalyst and negative catalyst. Positive catalyst increases the rate of reaction and negative catalyst decreases the rate of reaction. Now, nature of reactant. How nature of reactant affect the rate of reaction? Nature of reactant also affect the rate of reaction, such as the chemical reaction between covalent compounds are slow. If two reactants are covalent compounds, when reaction occurs between two covalent compounds, then such reactions are slow. The chemical reaction between ionic compounds are fast. When two reactants are used, ionic compounds, and the reaction between ionic compounds are fast. All redox reactions are fast, and all gaseous reactions are fast, except reactions between covalent compounds. Rest all three are fast reactions. Only reaction between covalent compounds are slow. If you face any problem in this video, then you can contact me. If you face any problem in this video, then you can contact me on 700-4848-997. Okay? For you.